now. Cancel your Autoresponder monthly subscription now. The first ever AI-based email marketing platform to achieve your desired open rate and click-through rate at zero monthly fee. First ever smart autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP server that empowers entrepreneurs and business owners to send unlimited emails with just one click. Now no need to spend on expensive third-party SMTPs. Unlimited emails, free email verification, unlimited list, imports, high email deliverability. Completely cloud-based. No SMTP required as we provide an inbuilt SMTP. Ready to send emails today without any limits. No monthly fees, no restrictions of any kind. 100% cloud-based and mobile responsive. Unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, unlimited lists. Built-in opt-in forms and pre-designed stunning email templates. Rapid import with no double opt-in or verification required. Drag and drop template editor. Powerful reports and analytical tools to boost your results. 24/7 technical support. Completely user-friendly and no prior experience needed. Are you ready to access a groundbreaking and powerful email marketing tool that can transform your email marketing for a one-time only investment? Greater than. Get SendPrimo now, instant access. No monthly fee, no restriction, inbuilt SMTP free. Finally, it's time to stop spending time and money on autocratic autoresponders and ones that don't deliver what they promise. And it's time to grab hold of the golden opportunity to be able to send unlimited emails using inbuilt SMTP at no monthly fee. Want to know how? Step number 1. Login. Get started instantly by logging into our cloud-based platform. Step number 2. Create campaigns. Just upload your list or our inbuilt opt-in forms and proceed to create highly profitable email campaigns. Step number 3. Make profits. Make profits with those profitable email campaigns you just sent. All in all, with SendPrimo, you can dominate the already huge and growing email marketing space without paying exorbitant recurring fees and falling for the trap of autocratic autoresponders. And skyrocket your email conversions and completely transform the way you do email marketing. Send unlimited email campaigns to unlimited subscribers without any monthly fee. All your emails are delivered straight to your customer's inbox. Never again get blocked and reduce your spam scores. The inbuilt SMTP service will enable you to send unlimited emails and make sure they're read. Run unlimited promotional campaigns, all automated in few steps. Design beautiful emails with inbuilt easy drag and drop editor and templates. No chance of IP address getting blacklisted because of sending bulk emails. Wait no more. You can achieve all of this and more with Introducing groundbreaking artificial intelligence-powered email autoresponder, which enables you to send unlimited emails with the push of a button. SendPrimo is one of its kind, powerful artificial intelligence-powered, cloud-based, fully featured autoresponder that will skyrocket your email conversions and completely transform the way you do email marketing. You can send unlimited email campaigns to unlimited subscribers without any monthly fee. Just pay once and you get to send emails with your own SMTP. Not only does it dependably send out your emails, but it also allows you to automate your campaigns. Comes with drag and drop email templates editor for your emails and newsletters. Moreover, it is an easy-to-use and newbie-friendly software that makes your email marketing game very profitable and engaging. Email is still the holy grail of any business. For 10 years in a row, email generates the highest ROI for marketers. For every $1 spent, email marketing generates $38 in ROI and gives marketers the broadest reach of all the channels available to them. Despite the plethora of tools available to marketers, email marketing is simply the best bet for business growth. The problem is, most email marketing campaigns are being described as challenging these days by business owners. Challenges with engagement, personalization, communication, customer retention, and brand awareness are just some of today's pain points. For you, it might be one, some, or all of these. Email marketing tools just cost you more time and money instead of saving them. Most email marketers make you do the hard work like removing old subscribers, managing campaigns, designing email templates, and other stuff that consumes huge amount of time and money. These inefficient autoresponders make you do the heavy lifting while you pay huge sums of money to them each month. Whichever it is, your struggle is genuine, and to overcome it, we have done all the hard work for you. A genuine solution that will make your life a little easy. SendPrimo is created using such cutting-edge technology that helps you create emails that win. At a push of a button. It promises to be a reliable cloud-based server with breakthrough technology and super easy interface that delivers emails right in your customer's inbox. And all of it at a price of a coffee. That too you gotta pay only once and use it for years. With free SMTP added. Get SendPrimo now, instant access. No monthly fee, no restriction, inbuilt SMTP free. Let us show you what we have earned and how easy it was. The product speaks for itself. We used SendPrimo, and these are the amazing sales we have made. SendPrimo comes packed with cutting-edge features. Cloud-based, mobile responsive system. Our powerful autoresponder is 100% hosted on our rock-solid cloud servers. It can be accessed from anywhere including mobile devices. Drag and drop email templates editor. SendPrimo comes with an advanced email template builder as well as dozens of pre-built email templates layouts for you to start on. Embed subscription form to your own website. We support embedding a subscription form to collect subscribers for your campaign. That is, after creating a mailing list, you can design and customize the subscription sign-up form for the list and embed it on your own website, your own brand and look and feel. Pre-designed templates. It becomes easy for you to entice thousands of visitors with our creatively designed ready-to-use templates with drag-and-drop ease. SendPrimo is loaded with stunning email design templates that are proven to attract recipients. Personalized email accounts. You'll get your own personalized email accounts to create and manage your professional emails easily. List management. Unlimited list imports can be done inside the tool. It is integrated with features that automatically add subscribers as and when they sign in. Add all types of email content. You can simply add your content to the email and get ready to send. It can be images, video, GIFs and fully formatted text, exactly the way you want it to look. Check spam and test subject lines. SendPrimo will enable you to test your subject lines and alert you if there is any spammy content in your email. Reports and analytics. You can send your emails and track them with all reports and statistics features available inside the software to help you analyze the clicks and opens and maximize your conversions. Marketing automation. Get even more engaged with your audience with personalized email flow triggered by real-time behavior. With a proper email flow, your communication can be even more efficient, and your relationships can be stronger. Use the available options to send emails that your audience would love to see. Powerful Autoresponder Features. Effortlessly integrate and stay connected with all your contacts with our powerful Autoresponder features. It comes with highly reliable cloud servers. Inbuilt SMTP totally free. High email deliverability assured. Perfect system for white label sending. Powerful analytics and reporting features. Super easy drag and drop email editor. Hundreds of pre-designed highly engaging email templates. Powerful autoresponder features. Marketing automation easily enabled with a few clicks. Unlimited email sending and list imports. Effective email campaign creation and management. Sophisticated but newbie-friendly interface. Email marketing still is, and will continue to be, the holy grail of any online business, and SendPrimo empowers you with powerful technology to grow your business using the power of email. And if you have been demoralized with your previous email marketing efforts, then don't worry because SendPrimo will level up your email marketing, optimize your conversions and 10x your results. Jump on the profit-making bandwagon with SendPrimo. SendPrimo has all the modern features and powerful technology that any email autoresponder should possess to excel in modern times. It will only enable you in the right direction rather than setting any restrictions unlike every other mailing system or autoresponder in the market. It is a platform with no restrictions and limitless potential for your email marketing business to soar. Your profits are limitless. No limit on emails, campaigns or subscribers. So don't get left behind. SendPrimo takes you to the future of email marketing. Better still, you don't have to keep on paying as you grow. Just pay once and profit forever. As soon as you get access, you can begin making the big bucks for yourself and from your clients. All this without any hassles and wastage of time and at such a low cost that you won't ever feel the pinch. Finally, it is the most sought-after solution for email marketers. Inbuilt SMTP free included. Enjoy latest and modern features with powerful automation. Design and send beautiful emails that work. Enjoy real-time monitoring of how emails are performing with powerful analytics inside. Squeeze out unlimited email campaigns which are highly profitable with super easy automation features. Send with confidence and no fear of getting rejected as spam and white label domain. Drag and drop email editor. Unlimited subscribers and list import. Professional email templates. Mobile-friendly and cloud-based. Further, its power-packed features allow you to take full control of your email marketing automation system and get breakthrough results. So why wait? With SendPrimo, the struggle is over. Pay once, get excellent emails forever. Say goodbye to the expensive and autocratic autoresponders tools. Because SendPrimo does everything these big names can do, plus lots more. It makes business and reaching out to your potential customers so easy. It gets you the results you deserve and saves you incredible hours of work each week. Well, who is SendPrimo for? Say goodbye to the expensive and autocratic autoresponders tools. Because SendPrimo does everything these big names can do, plus lots more. It makes business and reaching out to your potential customers so easy. It gets you the results you deserve and saves you incredible hours of work each week. Our 100% money-back guarantee. Try it completely risk-free. SendPrimo 100% unconditional money-back guarantee. This email marketing system is proven to work. So, you'll get full 30 days to use SendPrimo in your business with zero risk. Of course, our support team is always there to assist you in technical troubles to get you set up and running fast. But in case you feel that it is not a fit for your business, which is an unlikely event, we will issue a complete refund. Order now or you will have to pay monthly. SendPrimo is currently being offered at a low price only during this launch. Hence, don't miss this valuable opportunity to lock in this price and product for no monthly fee and unlimited access.